Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see how logged into your Facebook account or how you can sign out of all sessions at once. So let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open a Facebook app. So after opening a Facebook app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply click on the top right corner of horizontal lines, which is options. So after clicking on that, you guys have to select the settings. So after opening up setting, you guys have to click on password and security. In the password and security section, you guys can be able to see where you logged in. You guys have to click on see more. So here after clicking on see more, here Facebook will provide you a list of all devices in which your Facebook is logged in. So you guys can be able to see if there is any of the device which you don't know about it. So you guys must have to sign out from that because it might be hacker, attacker, or someone which you don't know. So you guys have to sign out, and you guys can be able to see or confirm your date and device location. So you guys have to click on log out of all session, and after clicking on log out of all session, you guys can be able to sign out of all sessions at once. It means you guys can be able to log out from all devices at once. And if you want some specific device to be logged out, you guys have to click on three dots on that device icon, and after clicking on three dot, you guys must have to first confirm date and location and click on logout. So after clicking on logout, Facebook will sign out you from that one specific device. If there is any kind of a device which you don't know, you must have to log out and you must have to change the password in order to protect your Facebook account. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.